Hello everyone, this is Niall from Best RV. I got you the best travel trailers you could see for the price. Show me where you're gonna find this kind of deal. Everybody say, I want a bunk travel trailer. Yes, we got it. I want a slide out. I'm getting you here is brand new 2025 Springdale 1760BH. Number one, it's a bunk model. Number two, has a slide out, and it's only for $18.99. I could not believe it. Folks, come to Best RV and see this beautiful. Look at it. It's a nice 18 footers, has a power awning with a power LED, has the 3-year warranty, and if you come over here, it has the jack right there, has the spare tires, has also the backup camera prep. It has endless hot water heater on demand. All the hookup with the power. It has the slide out, electric slide out fridge. Unbelievable, 18 foot with a slide out and a bunk model and a power awning, loaded only for $18.99. Coming in. We're inside the 1760BH. It's a brand new 2025 Springdale. This trailer has everything you ever think about it for $18.99. It has a nice beautiful bed in the front. We'll sleep 2 people here. It has electric slide out dinette. Also, this is turn to bed and sleep between 1 to 2 depending their size. I have a bunk model here. One here, one at the bottom. And this one, for that price, you're not getting the small tiny refrigerators. You're getting the full 11 cubic foot refrigerators with the freezer door. So you have a door, freezer and a fridge, a nice microwave, 2 burner stove, oven, not a fireplace, not like electric stove. This is 2 burner stove, sink, nice cabinet, very roomy. You can put a place for trash can, tinsel doors, unbelievable. And then over here has a sink in the shower and the bathroom. So you have a sink in the toilet. You have a standing shower. I could stand up with no problem with the skylight. I have a nice toilet for my knees. They're not gonna hit. All this at Best RV for $18.99. We was waiting for this deal to pass it to you. We worked the factory for you. We got you the brand new 2025 Springdale 1760BH. It's a 17-18 foot overall length bunk model with a slide, only at $18.99, loaded. AC, awning, slide, jack, spare, big refrigerator, freezers, microwave, oven, stove, loaded for $18.99. Come to Best RV and get the best deal.